rain showers get clogged up with hard water deposits, and I bought these little picks on Amazon, which I'll put a link in the description of the video, that have little cleaner heads on them, and you just stick them in each little nozzle of the rain shower head. I have already soaked this rain shower head in vinegar in the kitchen sink and scrubbed the heads with a brush. Now I'm going to go in and individually clean each head because my rain shower was spraying all over the place and no longer straight down as it is intended to do in the shower. Then I'm going to take this over to the sink and dip it in vinegar again and brush it down the heads with vinegar. And then I'm going to spray the rain shower head with hot water in the sink and then screw it back on in the shower, and it will work normally and as it is intended to do. After I screwed it back on, turned on the water, and now it's working just like it was when it was brand new.